Hi, in the previous lecture we've designed our books tab, so now we can add new book, edit a book or delete a book. In this lecture we will start joining our users tab so that we can add a new user, edit a user information and so on. So let's start. First of all, make sure that you're in the tab number 3. Then we need to enable the user or the employee to add a new user or the admin to add a new user and so on. So first of all, we have the admin information, we have username, password and email address. So we need to get a group box, drag your group box in here. Yeah, let's remove this. Yeah, I'm sorry. So now let's get a group box. Yeah, just like this. Okay, let's duplicate it using Control C and Control V. Yeah, like this. Here we will enable the user to add new user, and here we will edit user information. Okay. Yeah, like this. So first of all, we need a place to enter the username, the password, user name, sorry, yeah, password. We need another password again. We need an email address. Let's move those to down. Let's put our email in here. Yeah. And we need to get line edit for the username. Just like this. Let's duplicate it, one for email, duplicate it, one for first password, one for second password. Here. And we need a push button to add this user. Add user, yeah. Just like this. We need in the other group box to enable the admin to edit a user information. So first of all, we need to make sure that the user is valid. So we will take the username and the password in here. Yeah. And we need to enable the user to login first. So login. Then this user login, then we will enable him to edit his information. So we're gonna say username, email, password again, all this information again. Yeah, just like this. Let's edit user data. Let's save this. So now we have a way for adding a new user, username, email, password, and password again. And we can, if we need to edit a user information, let's solve this issue. Yeah, like this. Let's save. And then now if we need to edit a user information, first of all we need to login. So we'll enter the username, password, then hit login. Then we would those widgets will be enabled for us so that we can change our data and change user data. Okay, let's just like this. But let's try something. What if we wanted to enter a password? Let's enter a password. The password is shown to the user, so we need to fix this issue. And all of our widgets, all of our line edits, which will be a password. So let's view our property editor and let's check our password. Then in here we have echo mode equal to, and we have no echo password and password echo init. We will pick password. For this also we will choose password, and for this password, and for those two also we will choose password. Yeah, just like this. Let's save, let's run, and now if we enter any password, it will be heading from the user. Yeah, just like this. Okay, so here let's close this also, and let's get this button just like this. Yeah, this also. Here now we've added the third page or the third tab of our project to enable the admin to add new user or edit user information. The last thing is to add settings so that we can add a publisher, a category, a branch, and so on. And we will do this in the next lecture. See you next lecture.